Welcome to my channel, Sacred Greenery. Today I'm going to take you on another beautiful visit to a very special place in Ireland. And it's called Kilmokea Gardens in County Wexford. Come along with me and listen to this story. You may begin or end your journey here with a warm coffee and the most divine rhubarb pie. The garden greets you gently through a small wooden gate, inviting you down a winding path into a world where the formal meets the wild, where mystery lingers in every leaf. There are places to sit in silence, to let you breathe and relax, to listen as the birds sing like an unseen orchestra scattered among the trees. At the heart of this beautiful garden stands Kilmokea House, and it offers rest in its welcoming rooms as a bed and breakfast, and meals made with such love and care, many of the ingredients gathered in the bountiful potager garden, where herbs, greens, and vegetables thrive. And this example of a potager garden is exceptional. I am impressed. It's so well maintained. The garden unfolds like a dream. Exotic blooms alongside familiar flowers, mingling with effortless grace, painting a living canvas, in my opinion, like a whisper of Monet in every turn. The secret door opens willingly with a soft push, revealing new realms of quiet wonder, paths meandering like thoughts through semi-wild sanctuary, where ancient trees and tangled vines hold centuries of memory. You may feel the presence of others, watchful, wise, unseen, yet deeply known in this place. As I journey through the garden, I marvel at how the plants speak in their own way, through natural expression, unforced. But I know behind this beauty is a quiet hand, a wise gardener's knowing touch. It is wild, yes, but lovingly shaped into a balance of chaos and calm, youth and age, growing side by side in perfect harmony. And then, without any major announcement, a pond appears, serene and lush, skunk cabbage rising like green lanterns, and mighty granora spreading its prehistoric leaves. A gentle stream filling the well of sacred waters, inviting your heart to pause and your spirit to make a wish. Unconditionally, the trees reach out to be touched, so they may help you feel their unspoken words of love. Here you may sit in the den of nature, bathe your heart in stillness, and breathe in the ancient rhythm of the earth's slow turning. And as your journey draws to a close within this beautiful garden, pause for a moment by the reflection pool. Let your thoughts settle. Perhaps you'll find a new intention. Then return once more to where it all began, to the simple peace of being after walking through this sacred greenery. maybe a stop for more warmth, sweetness, coffee, and delicious apple pie.
And then finally, maybe a visit to the most interesting gift store.
And now I have the pleasure of introducing you to Hewlett, who, along with her husband Mark and their family, lovingly cares for this extraordinary garden. Emma and I will be hosting a holistic retreat right here in this magical space, and we'd love for you to be part of it. To learn more, please visit the Kilmokea website under the section Events, and I've included some more details below in the description. If you've enjoyed this visit with me through Kilmokea Gardens, please share, like, and subscribe.